Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. In this series, we will be learning about Databricks. And today's video, we will cover the qualify keyword in Databricks SQL. We will see how to use this qualify keyword. This keyword is already available in Teradata, Snowflake, and BigQuery, but it has recently been introduced in Databricks SQL. So the qualify keyword is used to filter the results of window function. To use the qualify keyword, at least one window function is required, which should be present either in the select or the qualify clause. And it is available in Databricks Runtime 10.0 and above. So let's see how we can write the query with the qualify keyword after Databricks Runtime 10.0 and without the qualify keyword, how we can achieve the same result before the runtime 10. So I had created a notebook called Qualifying Databricks SQL and I have attached it with the cluster demo cluster with the runtime 12.2 LTS. So this cluster is more than 10.0. So we can use the qualify keyword using this cluster. So I have a sales data which I will be using to create a data frame. And how you can create a data frame using this pub.read format. The format is CSV. What is the option that you have to apply? Let's say you want the header to be true. So the header is true, I have applied. And the path of the file that you can use to create the data frame. So the data frame is created. So let's display the data frame. So we have an order number, quantity order, price of each order line, sales, the date, status, the year ID and product line. So in this particular notebook, we will be concentrating on the product line, the year ID, the sales and the order date. So we have to find the top sales for each product category for a particular year. So the year that we will be considering is 2003 year. So let's see, the first method that we will be seeing here is using the PySpark API. After that, we will be using the Spark SQL to see how exactly to go ahead and get the top sales for each product category for that particular year. So in order to do that, I will be creating a partition based on the product line. So this product line, if you will see the data, is motorcycle and some other products like cars and all, right? So in this case, I am partitioning with the product line and I will be ordering it with the sales. That is how much sales is being done so that the top sales comes in the first place. So for that, I will be using the windowing function. For using the windowing function, you have to import the window. So you can import it from the PySpark.sql.window and I will be ranking it. So to use the rank, you have to import the rank also from the SQL functions. So I will be creating a rank column. So for that, I have used the with column keyword and I am naming that column as rank. And using the window function, I will be creating the partitions on the product line and the sales. Then I will be filtering out the data based on the year ID, that is 2003. And whichever rank is equal to 1, I will go ahead and create a data frame out of it and I will display that data frame. So if you will see now, out of these 2,823 rows of record, there are total now 7 rows for each product line. So if you will see, these are each product line for which the sales are coming up. And the topmost sale is 9470, right? So this is how you can use the PySpark API to get the top sales for each product category for a particular year. So let's say now you want to use the same thing using the Databricks SQL and you are running it in the version Databricks Runtime 10.0 below, right? So for that, you cannot use the qualify keyword, but you can use in the same manner with the rank function and then filtering out the data on the basis of the year. So I have written a subquery here in which I will be going ahead and on the basis of the rank, partition by product line and sales. I will be selecting all the rows for it, and then I will be filtering out the data based on the year ID. So I have written a outer query on which I will be filtering out the data on the basis of the rank where the rank is equal to 1, right? I'm not explaining this in complete detail, knowing that you know the SQL, how to use it. If you don't know how to use the SQL or how to create a subquery, please watch any YouTube video to learn how to create a subquery. So before running this command, I will be creating this particular table using create or replace table view. Now I will be running this command and it will give me the same result as we had it using the PySpark API. You see the 7 rows with all the product lines and the sales with the row with the rank as 1. Now, there's a second way of doing it, that is using the CTA, that is the common table expression. So the subquery, I'm writing it here itself using the select and partitioning it by product line, sales, where the year ID is 2003. And from this subquery, using the common table expression, I'm selecting the queries that gives the result from here, rank is equal to 1. See, it gives the same result as it had in the previous case. So let's say now you are running the Databricks with the version 10.0 or above. In that case, you can use the qualify keyword. In the above cases, you have seen you cannot use the where and the rank keyword at the same time. You have to either write a subquery or CTA. But in this case, you can use a where condition with your year ID and mention the qualify keyword before the rank in the same manner with the partition by product line and sales, and then you can filter out the records where that particular rank is equal to 1, right? So this particular thing, this query should be equal to 1. Those only outcomes or outputs will give you the result. And it will also filter out at the same time with the year ID equal to 2003. So I am running this particular command now. So you will see it will give you the same result as it is in the above cases. So the product line are 7 with your sales and the year ID equal to 2003. So this is how you can use the qualify keyword basically. This qualify keyword is very helpful in case of maintenance and visually explanation because you don't have to use a subquery or a CTA to achieve the same result. And also from the migration point of view, if you are migrating the code from Teradata, Snowflake, BigQuery, then this qualify keyword is very helpful because Teradata, Snowflake, and BigQuery already supports the qualify keyword. So it is like a lift and shift you can do if you are migrating the code from one platform to another. And try this keyword in your Databricks. Let me know if you face any problem in the comment section and I will be happy to help you further with it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates related to Databricks, SQL, PySpark, and data engineering. And the last most important update that I'd like to give you is that you can also check out the documentation of Databricks in which you will see how to use the qualify keyword with a very beautiful example that Databricks has provided. You can also try this out and see how the results come out. And if you face any problem, don't hesitate to put it in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching my videos and I wish you have a good day.